military applications, aerospace manufacturers, performance-critical industries of all types. They all have one thing in common. When it counts, they need to stay connected. They stay connected with Sta-Kon electrical terminals.
I'm working with Avid Electronics. I've been building cable harnesses for over 25 years. In the Sta-Kon line, it's amazing. I mean, we have customers that come to us with certain requirements that only you guys are able to fulfill the requirements. Product's very reliable, and once we use that for our applications, we are sure that that's going to last. Reputation of the Sta-Kon product line is second to none.
What makes Sta-Kon the terminal of choice for so many industries? It starts with bright plating that not only meets but exceeds military standards, specifically engineered to resist corrosion. Our anti-rotational head helps reduce rotation that could cause shorts or failed connections. The deep internal serrations create a larger area of contact for less resistance and greater pull-out strength. Its long barrel design is 20 to 50% longer than ordinary terminals to help reduce missed crimps and improve conductivity. Selective annealing provides a strong tongue for durability and a soft barrel for easier crimping with reduced hand fatigue. And each tongue is stamped with clear and straightforward stud and wire specs for easy identification. You'll find these features and more across all Sta-Kon terminals, with insulation options that include non-insulated, vinyl insulated, nylon insulated, and more, plus a wide range of styles, including ring, fork, pin, and disconnect. Add to that a full complement of splices, wire joints, disconnects, and heat-shrinkable products, and you'll understand why when it comes to terminals, Sta-Kon is the only connection you need. Stay connected with Sta-Kon.